Okay, so we're back with another RK61 video. Okay, to begin with, this is the white RK61 with the normal white keycaps. I couldn't find the white keycaps when I bought mine, so I bought the black keycaps. I combined them with my white keycaps, so as you can see, the outer keycaps are white and the inner keycaps of the keyboard are black. So yeah, I got the white RK61 with the red switches, and it's honestly the best keyboard for the price that I bought it. And I'll be putting a sound test into the video just because I thought it was fun to put in. So yeah, that's it, I guess.